Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this video, I will teach you how you can use the auto rotate option on the iPhones. So let's begin the video. How you can use the auto rotate option in iPhone. So for that, you don't have to download any apps. You can find this feature within your iPhone. So let's go to setting and here research for auto rotate. Rotate. Here you can see that there is no auto rotate such thing in setting. So where you can find this option? Don't worry, I will show you where you can find this option. Simply scroll down. Here you can see the option portrait rotation option. You can see that our portrait rotation is locked. That means you can't rotate your phone. Like as much hard as I try, I can't rotate my phone here. Now if we turn off this option, you can see that now it's off. You can simply rotate your option easily. Here you go. Here you can see that we have rotated our photo easily by just turning that option off. You may have noted that this auto rotate option don't work for all the apps. For applying it on all the apps, you have to do some settings. For accessing this auto rotate option, you have to do some settings. So open your setting. Here in setting, you can see the option display and brightness. Click on that. Here scroll down and find display. Here in the bottom you can see display zoom. Click on that. Now here choose the normal one, not the one with large letters. So here after choosing the one with the normal letters, click on done. Here I have not changed it because mine was already on normal. But if yours is on large letter mode, then convert that to normal. After doing all the settings, here I have opened my folder called notes. Here let's see if it works or not. Here by simply rotating, you can see that this app has rotated. This is all how it works. And here, now let's try for one more app. Here I have opened Google. Now simply rotate your phone to see if it works or not in Google. As you can see that it also works in Google. Simply here by turning on the lock, you can see that again Google has come to the portrait mode. This lock only apply to the portrait modes and not to the bent one. So whenever you're gonna lock it, it will gonna convert back into the portrait mode. So even after doing all these things, if your issue is still not solved, then simply come to App Store, because many apps need the update to do the best work to access all the features. So you must need to update your apps to access all the features. So for example, I'm here searching here Snapchat. You can see that Snapchat need update. Simply by updating Snapchat, you can access its all advanced features, and it help you rotating and in doing all the advanced level things. And still after doing all these things, your issue is still not solved, then simply come to setting. Here is setting, find the option journal, and then scroll down and click on transfer or reset. Then simply click on reset, and for sure after doing this, your phone will start working better. It happens sometimes that you feel issues in something, but after resetting, you don't feel the issue anymore. That was all about using the auto rotate option in iPhone. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.